This short video is on the DevExpress ASPxPopupControl, particularly the topic of displaying the ASPxPopupControl over an embedded PDF object in an ASPX page. On my main website, eagleware.net, got an R&D tab over here that has a series of controls, ASPxPopupControl examples. The page has an embedded PDF file in the page with a series of ASPX pop-up controls that are set to different settings. You can change how the PDF is embedded in the page that you're viewing, either an iframe, embed code, object code, or as a PDF Google Doc file. You can load this page with various browsers and run this code to see how the pop-up will display, whether or not it will display over your PDF, depending on how it's loaded into the page. Also, this PDF file here actually has information, if I can find it, that tells you which version of a browser will work with which settings and display over the PDF. The main two that give you the most trouble is Firefox and Safari. The only way Safari will display over a PDF is if the PDF is loaded as a Google Doc. At least as far as I can tell, that's the only way to do it. Older versions of Opera was the same way, but the newer versions will work. And here's the code that we use for the different iframe embed or the embed, object embed, Google Docs embed. And there's also some notes on my recommendations. Along with this page and article, as referenced in the blog text on this video page, I have a previous blog article here that you could go to that discusses a lot of the same things using the ASPX menu, and it has some code behind techniques and provides code for determining which way to load a dynamic PDF into a page based on the viewing browser. You can find that article here on the blog, and it's got the code that you can download to check for your browser. And also the video has a little more information. Well, that's about all for this video. Hopefully it'll help somebody else out that's trying to figure out how to make it do what you need it to do.